not, but I am.
Hey everyone, it's Lisa and Sheila again. And after we did the video the other day, we realized that we forgot to do a giveaway. We wanted to do a giveaway of a couple of the burnished pieces. A lot of you liked those, and so we're going to give away a pair of the burnished favorite hoops.
The small one.
The small one.
And in burnished gunmetal.
Okay.
And then
I
the
like that
Isola in burnished silver. I think you guys are gonna love that. The size is really beautiful. I think you guys are gonna love it.
Perfect. So all you have to do to win is, it'll be just one winner. If you will leave a comment down below, be a subscriber, and follow both of us on Instagram. And that is how I am going to contact you if you win, because you guys know I have a hard time with winners claiming their prizes. And that way I will be able to contact you easily. And so when do we want to announce the winner? So today is Monday?
Today's Monday.
Why don't I announce it on my Friday video?
Perfect.
Okay,
Yep,
so on the Friday video this week, I will announce the winner.
So follow us and
Leave a comment. And subscribe.
Yeah. And we were saying like tag 2 friends, right? On Instagram. So it's gonna be easy for us to track. Yeah.
Okay, tag 2 friends. Okay, and then we thought we would just do our jewelry that we're wearing today. I have on the Chynna hoops that I told you guys how much I loved, and so many of you wanted me to wear my hair up. So today, and believe me, how long did we spend last night?
It was ridiculous.
Last night we came up.
And I don't ever do my hair, so I spent probably like 2 hours doing my hair.
We spent forever
doing. It was beautiful, I promise you, but look at this now.
Doing the air wrap, and then we went out to dinner, and it was just like nothing had ever been done. The humidity here is worse than North Carolina.
I said, there's no way I'm gonna do my hair again today, so here I am.
Exactly.
Straight hair.
So it was perfect just to put my hair up today. So anyway, these are the Chynna hoops, and just makes the biggest difference when you know, have your hair up. You can see them move. I just love them. And then I have on, I think, similar necklaces. My favorite, I've been wearing these. My favorite chain, I think, is the snake chain. Let me pull them all up here. I even slept in it one night.
You did, and like, how can you sleep with chains? I can't.
If it's comfortable enough, I can sleep in it. And then that is the
San Bento. Saint Benedict.
And then the Fina.
No, that's
not
Fina.
the Fina.
Mine
You have
Fina.
the Fina. Okay.
Yeah, that one I forgot.
Okay, we'll have everything listed down below. And I will also put our video from the other day. I will link it down below in case you missed it. Okay, so tell them about your jewelry.
What do I have on? I have a lot as usual. I always do
I was watching her put her jewelry on. It was like decorating a Christmas tree.
She was laughing, like, and I was putting one more and she was looking like, So I have Natalie collar that I always wear. I love it. It's super comfortable. Then I have, well, this I made for myself, so it says XOXO. So it's a little thing. But usually I wear the Glimpse of Light. And then Romeria, which we have one left, and it comes in the Fina chain. That I love this chain.
Yeah.
And then this one is Salvatore. This is Salvatore in red. And we have coral and black, and it's also on Fina chain. And then I have Pepita, and this is in, mine is in lapis, yeah, or soda light actually, with this is lapis stone. And then I have my hoops, everybody's favorite. This ring, that's, I think, is fantastic. It's called Duke. And this is Madonna.
Oh yeah, you guys know I have that one in the purple. It's like a purple.
Oh, it's the navy sandstone.
Yeah.
And then this is it's not Altair. Maybe it's Altair. Yeah, we have. Yeah, I think it's Altair cuff. It's just the delicate stars. I really like that.
Lucy?
Oh, that's Lucy, but we don't have anymore.
Oh,
this
okay.
is already like vintage Sheila.
And then I have on my favorite, the Rose Zephyr.
Zephyr in rose. Zephyr in rose gold. In rose.
And I have
quartz.
makeup in my ear. Okay. And then another thing I want to show you guys. You know, I told you that I have a beauty that's coming to my It is the Bottega Veneta, and it's the pouch, and spa right now of the hotel, and it was just so pretty. We decided to do a video here because it was just, the lighting's perfect, the day's perfect, and we are going to finish up some shopping today.
Yep. More shopping.
Probably eat some more.
Absolutely, I already made
Shopping and
reservations.
eating.
We're going.
And so thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for all your kind comments.
It's so nice to hear from all of you. Thank you so much.
I've been reading them out,
Me too.
so we can hear them. And so we will see you guys real soon. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, follow us both, and tag 2 friends. And I might throw in something extra from my house too. Maybe a pair of hoops or something.
Okay.
So see you guys soon.
I'm a witness.
Yeah, exactly. See you soon.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye.